I'm showing you the listing reinstatement tactic that we use at EHP to force listing reinstatements. So of course, at some point, you've probably received a notification where your listing was removed from Amazon, right? And it's not fun. You're trying to get it back up, but seller support just doesn't want to help you, right? You're like, come on, can I please sell on Amazon? Let me get back up. And then usually sometimes it looks like it's blocked or like suppressed. You can't edit it. Nothing's working. And it's just like the worst feeling ever that your account's fine, but nobody's helping you get your listing back up, or they're not taking priority. You're submitting appeals, right? Hey, I deleted it. They're saying recreate it, do this, do that. You're trying to get it back up, but again, no luck. So this is where having a second friend is key. Now, this friend is somebody who doesn't sell on Amazon, right? But you're going to ask them, say, hey, usually it's your sister, your brother, somebody who doesn't live with you, right? And just say, hey, can you create an Amazon Seller Central account, right? And they're going to create an Amazon Seller Central account, right? So you've got seller number one, and then you have your new friend, which is, let's say, your brother-in-law, Amazon seller number two. They create the Amazon Seller Central account. Now you're going to ask them to create the listing. So you're going to say, hey, look, I keep contacting Amazon to get my product reinstated and they keep rejecting it. They're like auto rejecting it at this point. Amazon just hates you. They don't want you to sell this product anymore, right? You're like, oh my gosh, it's kicked off of Amazon. And then what you're going to do is you're going to say, hey, can you list this product on your account? And then you contact Amazon and say, hey, yeah, I just got this product. I want to sell it. I'm a new seller. Yeah, it'd be awesome. And a lot of the times when you're a new seller, they do trust you more and you've never actually sold the product, you've never done anything wrong. It's a lot easier to get it reinstated. You even get different reps, completely different reps, and it leads to reinstatement much faster. And that's just the reality of Amazon, right? Amazon does put notes in your account. They do block you and they make it harder for you. So here's the seller creating the same ASIN. Obviously, it's still taken down. But then they're going to say, well, hey, why is this product taken down? I want to sell it. I'm a new seller. And then you'll be surprised when seller support prioritizes the new seller and then reinstates the listing, right? Wow, it worked. And then all of a sudden, once the listing's reinstated, it's reinstated for you too. So that does happen from time to time, and it is possible. That's one of the best and fastest ways to get your listing reinstated. I'm just going to be completely honest. Now, it is a gray area because if you have multiple Amazon accounts that you're managing, it could come back and bite you. So that's why you have to do it a specific way or have a virtual private server and things of that nature to do this. But we do this especially when it's a high ticket product. If you're losing $10,000 a day, $5,000 a day, if you're trying to appeal it on your account and Amazon's taking 2 or 3 days to answer, if you have 5 different accounts working on it the same time that are completely different in completely different areas, there's going to be an extremely high chance you're going to get an Amazon rep that's going to trust one of the other accounts and reinstate it right away. Now, if you're only doing it on your account, it will most likely be a lot slower, and that's just the game of the day. But that is it for today's video. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, any listing information on how to get your listing reinstated faster, or if you just need help from us, we are Amazon experts and we're EHP Consulting Group. Not only that, we do full Amazon account management where we'll manage your entire account. If any listings get shut down, we're the ones that are making sure we're doing everything possible to get your listings up. And we even have shell accounts as needed that are completely compliant and only do one listing reinstatement at a time to make sure nothing gets attached to your account. That's obviously last resort, but we have the ability to do that so that way you can succeed on Amazon. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.